Lesson 5, Health, Vocabulary Part 1. Cold, cold, flu, flu, fever, fever, headache, headache, stomachache, stomachache, sore throat, sore throat, cough, cough, broken arm, broken arm. Health Vocabulary Part 2. Doctor, doctor, nurse, nurse, dentist, dentist, hospital, hospital, medicine, medicine, prescription, prescription, pharmacy, pharmacy, treatment, treatment. Healthy Activities Part 3. Do exercise, do exercise. Have a healthy diet, have a healthy diet. Get enough sleep, get enough sleep. Have a regular checkup, have regular checkup. Have good hygiene, have good hygiene. That's it. Thank you so much. Goodbye.